Tangem wallet Black Friday sale. In this video, I'm going to give you guys my updates and experience using Tangem wallet and this Black Friday sale, which starts today, November 28th, and ends December 2nd. And shout out to Tangem for giving me this special link and using code Sir Lewis. You guys can use, I'll pin the special link below in the comments below, or it's in my bio, of course, my link tree. But this Black Friday sale doubles the normal rate, which is 10% off Tangem products, and now is 20% off. So if you haven't got Tangem wallet yet, or you want to get more cards like I did, this is the opportunity. And of course, if you want to get the Tangem ring, which is new, the Tangem ring, I'm going to be unboxing this very soon and give you guys my honest review on the Tangem ring. I think it's freaking awesome. I'm going to feel like Green Lantern, right, with the ring, where you can access your crypto through your phone. I think it's amazing. And in this video, guys, I'm gonna give you guys an updates regarding Tangem, because there's a lot of people that got questions regarding Tangem. They're still on the fence on getting it. And if you want to, if you're convinced by the end of this video, if you want to get it, you can use my link, 20% off. But I want to, I have a community on Telegram with over 900 people. It's growing, and I want to answer some of those questions, right, regarding Tangem. So Tangem, my experience so far has been amazing. The user interface is amazing. The app is great. And there's a lot of people that have questions regarding, oh, well, what if the app shuts down? Or what if the NFC technology doesn't work anymore, right? Like, let's say the worst situation in the world, the EMP grenade or something like that, and the power grid goes off, or, something crazy like that. Like, you can't access your wallet, and, the NFC is just broken on the phone, and this and that. Maybe you have a phone that doesn't have NFC or something. Which most phones, modern phones nowadays, all have NFC, I'm sure of. But if something like that happens, which is very unlikely, and let's say the app doesn't work or something like that happens, well, Tangem, shout out to Tangem for listening to their community. They have an option for a seed phrase, which I do recommend. Okay, they used to have no option. Then they had the 12-word seed phrase option. And now they have the 24 seed phrase option, which is even bigger security. I mean, both are good enough, but they have the 24-word seed phrase option, which majority of wallets out there like Trezor and Ledger has. And I do recommend it because if in case of an emergency, you have your 24-word seed phrase. The only thing is you better save this with your life, right? This 24-word, you better make sure it's in a safe place, because this is a 1-point entry, which the Tangem, right, you have 3 cards. It's more decentralized through these 3 cards. And the 24 words, if someone gets the 24-word seed phrase, boom, they have access to all your crypto. So you want to have responsibility. When you come into the crypto world and you get a cold storage wallet like Tangem, you're your own bank. And you have to be responsible for being your own bank, right? When you send it to another exchange or another cold storage wallet, you better make sure that's the right address. You better make sure you look back and forth, not just copy and paste and just send it. Or you can use a QR code, which is very safe as well and convenient. But you better make sure it's the right addresses. You want to be safe when you're dealing with this. Because, if it goes wrong, well, there's no customer service, right? This is the world of being your own bank, which I think it's worth it, because it's, it's in your full control. It's 100% yours. No one can freeze it. That's why cold storage in crypto is amazing, because you have fully access of your crypto. You can send it to any exchange that you want to sell it to, and it's fully yours. So that's why I think it's worth it. And I think Tangem is an amazing cold storage wallet that is great, especially for new beginners, for newbies that come in. It's an amazing user interface. It's not like this bulky product that you have to stick a USB, plug it into your computer. Maybe it doesn't even have an app, which Tangem does. And I do believe Tangem is working on a website. So I think that would be amazing in the future. And look, Tangem, from my experience, Tangem is just very, very active. They're very proactive with their community. They've been adding so many networks, which I think is one of the pros regarding Tangem. How many networks they have that they've been adding, like Caspa, which not many cold storage wallets have, or you would need a third party, right? It's like more steps. But Tangem is like, boom, it's right there. You can send Caspa to Tangem. You got Caspa on Tangem. It's very convenient. They also have Sui, right, which is a new layer 1, and I think it's great as well. And Say. And look, I just remember this right off my head regarding Caspa. Right now, they're having a Caspa limited edition Tangem wallet. Tangem, they have, this is like the normal Tangem card, but they actually have a bunch of versions. They have a like a secret version, which doesn't have anything. It's like all black. They have a Bitcoin version, I think Dogecoin version, which has like the symbol, right, the logo. And right now they're having limited version for Caspa. I think there's only like 3,000 yeah, like around 3,000, a certain limited supply of Caspa cards. So if you are a big Caspa fan and you don't have a Tangem wallet yet, this is definitely the time to get it if you want to get the Caspa version. But I just remember that right now. But like I said, they have so many networks, right? And it's amazing because there's other cold storage wallets out there that are still, they don't have these networks like Caspa, like even Casper, right, network, and Sui, and Say, which is also another one that they have. And you know, they have Ethereum, obviously, Solana, Cardano, and they're gonna come out with staking, which I think is gonna be amazing. VeChain. I'm just thinking some off the top of my head: Dogecoin, Litecoin, obviously Bitcoin. But they have so many variety of networks, and they're adding more and more and more. So I think that is amazing for Tangem, because they're listening to their community, they're adding these networks, more variety of coins, right? When they add Sui or they add Caspa, well, now very soon you're going to be able to have meme coins or like coins under that Caspa network or under Sui. And Solana, obviously there's a lot of coins under Solana that are meme coins. They can have it on Tangem. So this is great. This is great because this gives you more variety of coins to have on your Tangem wallet as a cold storage wallet. And I think the future is bright for Tangem. And again, guys, this discount's only going to end on December 2nd. So you want to take advantage of that. If you want to get more Tangem products like the ring or more cards like I did, it's 20% off, which I think it's a great deal for this Black Friday sale. So definitely check it out with my special link, Sir Lewis. And if you guys got more questions regarding Tangem and its features and all that, comment down below, or join the Telegram. There's people out there that'll be happy to answer you in the Telegram. We got over 900 people, about to reach 1,000 in Cryptopolis. So definitely join the Telegram. And I just want to say thank you guys so much, and thank you, Tangem. Shout out to Tangem for giving me this special link to give you guys 20% off. But I love you guys so much. Like, follow for more, guys. Join Cryptopolis, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.